Let's see how to set up this Tapo smart contact sensor. This is the Tapo T110. You need a hub to set up this sensor. Here I have the Tapo H200, but you can use any hub like the Tapo H100 or H500, okay? As long as you have your Tapo hub working the network, you're gonna use your Tapo app to set up your Tapo contact sensor, okay? So just download your app for the App Store. If you don't have available yet, to just come here and download the TP-Link Tapo. That's the one. Then you open it up, log in with your account or create a new one if you don't have any. And then you come here to the Tapo app. Here on the top, you see this plus signal. Just tap on it and add a new device. And from here, you're gonna select sensors. You see here, sensors and Tapo T110. That's the one that I have here. And select the hub that you have available in the network, and it's already working. So I select here my Tapo H200. And now it's time to set up the device. You just need to come here and remove the plastic. This one already removed, right? And then you're gonna see the LED flashing here. So mine, I removed a long time ago, so it's not flashing anymore. If that's the case, you just need to come here, open the lid like this. It's just slide to the side. Open it up, and then you need to use a paperclip to reset it. Just use the reset button here, press the paperclip and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you just let it go, and you see that now it's flashing, okay? So as long as it's flashing here, you can just start the setup. Let's just come back here and hit next. And then from here, the LED is flashing or it's blinking. Just hit next and wait for it to connect to the hub. There we go. The hub found the contact sensor. And it was found by Alexa as well, because I have Alexa already available here on my cell phone. There we go. You can just name your device. In this case, I will leave like this, Tapo T110. Hit next. Select a location. Here for me, it's office. Hit next. Select an icon. I will leave this one. Next again. Almost done. It's going to check the firmware. And it's ready to go. You see here, congratulations. Your Tapo device is up to date and ready to use. Just enjoy. It sounds good. And now I have my Tapo sensor already here. You see that's open. Then I can just come here. And when I close the sensor here, it's gonna change here on the app. And you see the information here when it's open and when it's closed, okay? So it takes a while to update here, but it's working, right? So super simple. Basically, that's the way you can set up a Tapo contact sensor. This is the Tapo T110. So just leave your comments here, subscribe to the channel, and give me a thumbs up. See you in the next one.